Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Ryan's Tech Hub, the world of programming. Today, we are embarking on a journey into the realm of Python 3, an incredibly versatile and powerful language that has captured the hearts and minds of developers worldwide. Python is renowned for its simplicity, readability, and an extensive library of resources, making it the go-to choice for beginners and seasoned programmers alike. Whether you are entering into the world of software development, data science, web applications, or artificial intelligence, Python is your gateway to unlocking limitless possibilities. Throughout our course, we will explore the fundamentals of Python 3, from basic syntax and data structures to advanced concepts like object-oriented programming and web development. Our goal is not just to learn how to write codes, but to understand the art of problem solving and computational thinking. And also, I'm doing this to track my progress because I am also learning as well. And for everybody is invited, to bring their ideas on board. Okay, yeah. So follow me on YouTube, Instagram, and on TikTok, and join me in my next video to dive and embrace the joy of coding and unleash our creativity with Python 3. Get ready to witness the magic of Python unfold before your eyes.